Black Star Square, the enormous parade ground in the centre of Accra, was the setting for an impressive display by Ghana's armed forces. The Queen and President Nkrumah first drove past the 5,000 troops. 250,000 people watched the parade, and some swarmed up the 100-foot pylons behind the grandstand to get a better view. The parade was based on the ceremony of trooping the colour, and Ghana's young but proud regiments swung past as smartly as any in the Brigade of Guards. But he's impressed by the mechanized units. And finally, a flypast by planes of the Ghana Air Force. By contrast, here's a much less formal occasion on the seashore at Accra. A special pavilion was set up on the beach 20 feet from the water's edge for the Queen and the Duke to watch a surf boat race. These races had their origin in the rivalry between lightermen and customs officers in the days when all goods landed in Accra from ships had to be put ashore in special sturdy boats which rode through the breakers. But the surfboat men don't have to do this sort of thing anymore. A new port has been built nearby at Tima, so the excitement of the surfboat is doomed to extinction.